Okay, so now we will continue in the previous problem, but using now the t-test. But that, as I told last time, that the single factor ANOVA doesn't tell us which group has different performance, but it just tells us that one group is different. So what we will do is that we will use a t-test. Okay, so instead of taking three groups at once, I will just take two of them and test whether they are different or not. Okay, so here again we will assume that they are normally distributed, and it asks for are they paired data or not. So if you can see here, they are not paired data. Okay, these three different departments. This one is different department, this one is department different, this one is different. But if they were the same department, if it was like something department A, and then it would be a paired data. But in this case, it's not paired data. So it means that this one is not true. Then we have to go this way. Unpaired t-test. So let's do that. So as I told you, in single factor ANOVA, we chose all groups at once, but now we will choose two at once like this way, then B and then C at once, and then C and then A at once, and we will see which group has a different performance. Okay, so let's do that. I'll just go again, the data analysis, then t-test. You see we have paired but non-paired. Okay, well, here we have equal variance, unequal variance, but as I told you multiple times, for this class we will not go into that details that if it has equal or unequal variance. I will just assume that they are equal, and I will choose my variable 1, so this is the 1. I will choose my variable 2, this is A and the B, and then no labels. Okay, and this one is just about the null hypothesis. Hypothesize the mean difference. I will just say it is 0, or you can just skip it. And an output range, this will be here. And now output range, it will be here. Click OK. So you can see this one overwrites the ANOVA, which is okay. That p-value is very, very small, so that is 10 to the negative 18. So it means that the group A and then group B performance are different. Okay, so it means that the lighting affects A and the B. So if it is dim lighting or bright lighting, it matters. Okay? So now let's check B and then C, whether it is bright and natural light, does it affect or not. So let's go this way. Okay, and then choose. This one was the A, but now we'll change it to C. Okay, the other one is B. This one is, no, I believe I will choose it again. So this one is B. This one is C. Okay, and then output range, let's select this one. Okay. They say that it overlaps. Let's try it again. So okay, select this one again. So now we can see that p-value is 7.6, 10 to the 11. So it means that again the bright or natural light affects the performance. Okay, so which is you can also check for A and the C whether p-value is small or not. Okay, so this is how it works for the paired and unpaired t-test. So since in our case it was not paired, we just used unpaired t-test, and then we assume that the normal distribution and equal variance applies. That's all for this one, so we will just move on to the next problem.